You ever finish a call, a meeting, or even just a conversation and realize you forgot half of what was said? Not because it wasn't important, but because you were trying to be present instead of taking notes. Yeah, me too. Guilty. Now, I've tested a few AI note-taking devices before, and honestly, most of them feel like another thing you gotta carry with you. This is the first one that actually fits into your life without trying. We're talking about the viaim RecDot AI Earbuds, and the idea is simple. It's like having an AI assistant that listens, records, and writes everything down for you. But the biggest thing, it's not a separate device, it's your earbuds. Now, I've used products like this before, and usually the trade-off is this. Either the audio quality is bad because it's trying to do everything, or it's got some cool features, but you never get around to using them because it doesn't flow with your everyday. This one surprised me. As earbuds alone, the sound quality is actually really good, like competing with AirPods Pro level quality and clarity. And something that I really didn't expect, the call quality is actually solid. It doesn't feel like an afterthought, which usually happens when a product tries to do everything. Calls come through clear and your voice sounds natural on the other end. It actually holds up as a real everyday earbud. But I gotta be honest, when it comes to noise cancellation, that's definitely the weaker aspect of these earbuds, especially compared to higher end earbuds. Again, very strong and superb as everyday earbuds, but in my opinion, weak A and C. So, just so you know, so you can keep in mind what matters most to you. All right, now this is where I feel, this is where the viaim starts to separate itself. There's a feature called FlashRecord, where when the earbuds are in your ear, you just tap it or you hit the button and it instantly starts recording. No digging through apps, no delay, you just capture the moment. Now, when it comes to calls and meetings, this is another area where the viaim shines. You can record your phone calls, record your meetings, record Zoom calls, Google Meets from your phone, and will turn everything into text and then summarize it. So not only can you re-listen to a phone call or meeting if you choose, but you're also getting key points, action steps, and organized notes. And that's the part that actually saves time and keeps you sharp. Now, one thing that I would personally love to see is a case with a clip or a key attachment, because the way I use earbuds, they're always with me. So if I could clip this to my keys or bag, this becomes even more powerful because now it's just not something that's useful, it's always accessible. So with that being said, let's take a closer look at the app. Inside the app, you're going to get way more than transcripts. AI summaries, templates, full organization tools, all powered by ChatGPT, Gemini, and Cloud. You even get 600 minutes per month included and translation across 78 different languages. Also from the app, you have control of your EQ presets for your earbuds, or you can customize it too. Again, bringing this in line with earbuds like AirPods Pro. Another thing that you'll be pleased to know is that it does feature multi-speaker detection. Now, this feature from past devices that I've tested usually is a premium feature that you have to pay extra for. But with the viaim, it's standard. So this will help you tremendously when you're viewing transcripts of group conversations. Okay, let's talk real world use. What can you realistically use this for and what makes this different? Well, again, if these are your usual earbuds, which are, again, good as earbuds alone, it's already with you. Just pop them in your ear or leave them in the case, and these become perfect for things like lectures, conferences, church, even watching YouTube content and summarizing it. Now, this is where I feel this gets really interesting, or as my son would say, peak. Of course, you would expect this to do summarization, real-time transcribing from an AI assistant. But what you normally don't get is real-time translation. So if you travel, this can literally act as an all-in-one solution. Watch this. We can go to live translation and recording, and it's going to start picking up everything that I'm saying, translating it from English to Spanish. And of course, you can change the languages right down here at the bottom. You can also share it to a live text and a playback rate as well. Now, I want you to notice how fast it is translating. Again, peak. And if for some reason you misplaced this, you also get a Find My Earbuds feature as well. Okay, so we've only touched on some of the many features you get with the viaim. But again, the real value isn't just the features, it's that you actually use it because it's already in your ears. And that's what most of these products get wrong. It's something extra. It's always something extra that you have to think about. Not here. So let me share my final thoughts, and this is how I would position this. If you want the best noise canceling earbuds, this ain't it. But if you want something that sounds good, handles calls well, records your conversations, instant real-time translation, summarizes your life, and is always with you, the viaim makes a lot of sense. Let me know what you think. Would you actually use something like this, or would you forget it exists? Because I'm telling you, if it's with you all the time, you're not going to forget. And this could be a game changer. All right, guys, really hope this video helped you out. Take care. Bye. As always, I'll leave links in the description so you can pick up your own. Hey guys, do me a favor. If you like this video, leave a like. If you love it, subscribe and ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.